etie for ensembi koso ewo Ghana na mesre assembly ye waso ne tie ne ye na put aside your tribe na assembly yenka ne ye because yanhwe ya bibi asem ne bedu no emboa yen anse ne beto asem subscribe na click notification bell and no and that screen so sisia we yan say latest news baba wonsa ebeka asem ne saying Asante Hene any president and a former president Mahama. Na yeni enim say Asante Hene currently woko UN for Inshiemu a woko ma keynote address ewo ho. Na lense mu a woka enia no em say de akọ viral ewo Ghana pan say Asante Hene eko kan ewo UN ho say 2016 emra ya to abawie ye no na Mahama wa ye na adwen say won accept defeat. Na Mahama ye na adwen say abana welusu no wono Mahama won jintum na bibisa ase a na tre say ntokwa betumi esi ewo Ghana nti Asante Hene se wode to ne ho so wode to no etefo muntie ni wo se wode to ne ho so menhia ede to omo ho so efre Mahama ena wono Asante Hene ne kasa kire Mahama na eno ena ma Mahama wo concede defeat ena Mahama ka say okay Majiatum Asante Hene ne mi akasa de Majiatum wele nsama Asante Hene kwa kan ewo UN ho na wakan wie ye no NDC fo a wo mususu se embra na elections ne koso wo mo ben Mahama no wo musi wo nim na kre na asema Asante Hene akoka no sebe that is not the truth eno ne nsama NDC fo eka na wo nipa waka sa asem ne ye Mahama ne chief of staff Julius Debra what they inkrata bi eba bonten ede betudwa na sa nkrata we yesusu se Mahama nsa ehyaase wati ase Julius Debra Mahama ne chief of staff and Ghana former chief of staff ede betu abonten na asema chief of staff no obekan no was say the decision to concede and congratulate Nana Akufo-Addo even before the official results were declared was taken by President Mahama himself without any persuasion from any quarter. Asema waka ene say Mahama say wo frɛ Akufo-Addo atwe say Akufo-Addo well done say we win 2016 election na meja bibia mu no yesre eye Mahama nankasa ena wo take his decision no wo bie ni ho a wo frɛ Mahama ka tell say yi masa accept defeat senia eye Asante Hene ko kan wo UN eye conference na se no na Julius Debra eto aso a wo say the Asante Hene has over the years been a very respected interlocutor in Ghana's multi-party political engagement. He has been generous in his wise counsel to present and former presidents. It is public knowledge that President Mahama willingly announced his decision to accept the outcome of the 2016 elections and congratulate Nana Akufo-Addo even before the official results were formally declared by the chairperson of the Electoral Commission. Asama Julius Debra edit to us on say eya ne kre Asante Hene yobia president nia Ghanaian president nia no Asante Hene etu wo nyina afo ifi ye beka say Rollins Kufuor on Mahama Atamius munia che say Asante Hene de nsem bi nko ye a otumi to nsa efre president no so di need ma no say Asante Hene ewo ho ema wo mo to Asante Hene to wo fo ema wo mo tie nti ene de Ghana fo nim say Asante Hene ene de eyade a Asante Hene wotaye otu nkrofofo but this particular 2016 assembly de wo be kai a na isikra no wo mo emba abonten embe declare results ne ye ena Mahama frɛ eye Akufo-Addo ena Akufo-Addo kra de beto abonten say Mahama afrɛ no a congratulate on no Akufo-Addo. It is public knowledge Satan na EC enya mba me declare ye intina asema Asante Hene akoka no akoye se EC declare ye ena Mahama ye na dey say oh nsi fom ansa na wono Asante Hene na efre Mahama but Ghana for ye nia ye nim se sa time na kra Mahama wo ba abonten ebe ma eye Akufo-Addo congratulations na EC enya declare say we ni winner it is in sama Asante Hene ne kano wo hwe public knowledge ani die ye ni ma sebe enya san nete when in sama Julius Debra what the two ja na Julius Debra de asem way two ja no a lot of people have come out to attack Mahama and Julius Debra. Na wo hwe senior ansem no ekwa I've seen a lot of people are womu claiming say there are being hypocrisy on some parts. Now we'll speak on that one as well. Now it's here for what shall send the indemnity. First, what we'll take from it, they say Asante Hene a very, 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 very respectable person. Sebe Mijidi se bibi ensiya Sebe Asante Hene want to me enko UN4 empenifo ewiase ni na empenifo enim na Sebe wonko ka assembly say. First thing Sunday Ebeka Asante Hene you obi asebe senya na hene ne so nti yegidi se assembly a wode beto abonten bia no eye ne kre. That's one. Secondly, John Dramani Mahama ono so asema wo mo de beto dwa se eye public knowledge say EC na EC and declare eye election no ansa no no Mahama eba abonten ebe treko Akufo-Addo say congratulations na we win no. That one is also true. Inti na asem no akoye boha but what social media dey akoso a nkrofo asori tia Mahama chairman want to me wono eye NPP chairman kra wa sorry kasa say asema Mahama amma Julius Debra dia ba bonten abeka no say Mahama embu Asante Hene. Mahama has shown great disrespect to Asante Hene. And only in Sama, Chairman want to me what they are better abonting. It's Chairman want to me eka say Asante Foni na Mahama Mombaneno from coming to Ashanti region. Because in Sama Wama Julius Debra de to abonting egu Asante Hene hu fin. Na asem way ena ama enkrofo bi kasa say akoya say dia mo ye no ya yenya atwomensem sebe Ghana di yenim no enye no na Asante eno ne enkrofo bi ka o ebi mo ka se di yenim no enye no na Asante Hene akoka na ne kre de yenka na Ghana de tribalism no edoso dodo esan se ya Asante Hene ni nti no ya sheda ne ya attack Mahama na so Mahama nso ka ne kre eno le sema ebi mo nso eka se hey Mahama Asante se asema wo ama Julius Debra ba bonti abeka no na tese who di Asante Hene atem o ka se Asante Hene no wo twantro masa Asante Hene no ya Asante Hene o untumi ba bonti beka se wo twantro. So these are the two sides. It's here for these are the two sides. Na me pese me read in send them out abrante bia wono so eye Facebook blogger wo ye friend Kumase Nyame wo ye obi a wono so Kumase for enim ne pa na assemble yi na wo de tu dwa wo say he is my king, he is your king, but in this case our king lied. Mami read in Ibiom or say he is my king, he is your king, but in this case our king lied. Or say Asante Hene no or your no Kumase Nyame no ne hene. Yes, akanfo ni na ana Asante Hene no wo ye mo hene nanso we de yemfa ne kra ensi bebia ewo sebe Asante Hene ko twantro ewo UN conference na say when is them Kumase Nyame walk was say I used to think the problem was tribalism, but I just realized it is hypocrisy. Was say one Kumase Nyame no fi say sebe Ghana has a problem no say ofri ha but wahwehwe mu asisi a we hu say problem no sebe nya atwomensem. Or say how can Otumfo call Mahama to concede defeat whilst the EC wasn't done with coalition? If my memory will serve me right, it was left with 4 constituencies before Mahama considered defeat. And I went so a public notice, and I way because a public information and a public knowledge. It is true. Answer na Mahama befre Akufo-Addo. Actually say and I say during the time Mahama free Akufo-Addo chair say Akufo-Addo why are they papa no. So that time no na aka 4 constituencies more. Inti no Kumase Nyame ka say according to ono Kumase Nyame no ni knowledge we ya wonim no etre sebe Asante Hene say EC enya declare we ya sebe untumi nkoka say na EC e declare we na wo hwese ne na nsem ekwa na Ghana ya nhwe ni ya political tension eba and our friend Mahama Chen say masa concede defeat akoye say na isi declare wie na just Mahama mpese wo be concede defeat no na asem when ya AC no me wi a meka men so ma adwen on it na we hu bibia asem no e wo say ye de to na komase nyame tia so wo say Otunfo is my overlord, but that doesn't give him the right to lie against an ex-president. President Mahama also deserves better. To those criticizing Mahama, if you have anyone to condemn, it should be His Royal Majesty Otunfo Osei Tutu II. When in Sema Kumase Nyame wode atuja, was say one more di Mahama tem no munjai, na wono de won nim according to one facts a wono sebe eye Otunfo na chantro. When in Sema Kumase Nyame de atuja, na mekasa afa ho. One, Otunfo enye ntro na wotwae. I'm also speaking my side. First one, enye ntro na Otunfo twae. Second one, asema Mahama nso woma Julius Debra de Babonten no eno nso enye ntro. Na obi beka say if two ni nya enye ntro a ende hwan na wo twa na hwan na e ka ne kre because ne kre de ba akopɛ. In this case, omo two ni nya womo e ka ne kre. But it is the communication and how everyone is seeing it. Enuntia. Mami explain the bibin chemo. Embra answer na easy be declare the 4 constituencies no. Na Ghana fo ni aye nim se Mahama elusu. I mean, na Akufo-Addo a lead with over 500,000 votes. And Rebecca said that be na over 800,000 votes because Akufo-Addo winning with over 1 million votes. Answer Rebecca have 4 constituencies no. Na Akufo-Addo a winning and na Akufo-Addo a lead with over 800,000 votes. It is so those constituencies ni nanka wo muni na etuma Mahama kra nanka still nanka Akufo-Addo be winning because the number of people and the population of those 4 constituencies no na endru sa 800,000 votes and na Akufo-Addo will lead no. Misusu sa asema America no moti ase. Answer na EC be declare sa 4 constituencies no. Na Ghana wo bia nim say Akufo-Addo a winning because Akufo-Addo leading with over 800,000 votes. And as 4 constituencies na kano EC no e de ni na Mahama kra na nka ni nia endu Akufo-Addo ni leading na wo leading no. It no bia nim say Akufo-Addo no leading. Na yes, Otunfo Osei Tutu Efre Mahama because na Ghana for because NDC also be a press conference Emma yet say oh they are also in a comfortable lead no na ye nim say ntofu we ayo wo mo adwen say wo mo accept defeat because me so na meeting e chika say the AC the NDC for your mo adwen say wo mo accept defeat. That was the public perception and no na eya dey Ghana for near because it was clear and glaring say Akufo-Addo winning hands down but still na NDC for claiming say they are leading. They are in a comfortable lead. And then sa word comfortable lead no e be popular wa Ghana no. What you say? Intino I think say embra na Ghana for ni aso so say Mahama we lose na tiase na jai say NDC for can comfortable lead no. Otunfo Efre Mahama ene ne kasa. But the thing is na Mahama misusu say na wono so aye na adwen say wo ba bonten abeka say oh Akufo-Addo well done and send a Otunfo friend no it is any akoye no ye ni aye ni Mahama trim nti ebe hu say oh okay ye ni ni trim nti no Otunfo friend no intia and our friend Akufo-Addo e ka tell say Akufo-Addo we wini but e bia na Mahama nkasa ba ye na adwen say wo be friend Akufo-Addo de dada and send Otunfo friend no. I hope say in some America no moti ase ye mfa ne say ye 3 me wo ene e bia oba bia your friend no ama na me ma ye ma dwen say me kokatre ama say oh ama me wo 20 cedis bi ema and ama ye ma dwen say me di 20 cedis be ma ama na wo wa frame me na wa tre me say oh me sre me pese wo di 20 cedis ema me ti asemo wo ni me trim wo nim say na ma ye ma dwen pi say me so me pese me ma ni 20 cedis but wo wa frame me say oh me ma ama 20 cedis afi ma koma ama 20 cedis wo okokasa if esan say wo ni mitri nti no wo be ka kire nkrofo say oh wo kra e na wo ka kire me say me ma ama 20 cedis ansa na me ma ama 20 cedis now so answer na wo friend me no na me e wo mitrim say me be man de dada. This is a pure scenario. This is a pure case of that. I hope someone yamote ase. No, from Mahaman's view, na ono Mahama ni hu ne say na why na ade say wo be free Kufuado action say oh why ya there congratulations. Answer na Otumfo friend no e ka ne say oh accept defeat. No, Otumfo de wo no ne side no wo se Mahama trim won hu say na Mahama ye na ade say wo be accept defeat. Otumfo de be kasa aka say oh me na me friend Mahama ka ne say wo accept defeat because ne kre wakatre Mahama no sa time na Mahama ye but ebia na Mahama na nkasa wetu na mo say wo be ye de dansa no Otumfo friend no. So this is the case. Until we share the two sides are obia e ka ne kre until the same scenario me ma no wo say wo katre me say me ma 20 cedis na me na ma ye ma just say me be ma 20 cedis ne de dada no wo ko katre nkrofo say wo ka na wo katre me say me ma 20 cedis na sa me ma 20 cedis na me nso metumi aba abonte abetre say oh dabi answer na wo be katre me say me ma 20 cedis kra no na mama 20 na ma ye ma adwen kra say me be makra de dada nsa wo frame me. This is the two scenarios. I hope someone yamote nsem na say. Mon share mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da say.